Good morning. Today we are going to study matraएं. Matraएं, that means vowel sign. As you know that हिंदी में स्वर तथा व्यंजन दो प्रकार के वर्ण होते हैं. In Hindi you can see two types of letters. One is स्वर and the other one is व्यंजन. Vowels and consonants. And in स्वर a I u u r e I o au a will come, and in व्यंजन क ख ग घ ङ च छ ज झ ञ ट ठ ड ढ न त थ द ध न प फ ब भ म य र ल व श श स ह क्ष त्र ज्ञ. All these letters will come under Vyanjan. So like that, in Vyanjan you will get 33 consonants. In Vyanjan you will get 33 letters. So now first we will study how we can join this word with Vyanjan to make a word. So स्वर की मात्राएं होती हैं. You know स्वर की मात्राएं e, that sound is coming, that is known as मात्राएं. So here you can see 5 columns. स्वर, मात्रा, व्यंजन के साथ मात्रा, शब्द, चित्र. स्वर is vowel, matra, the sign which we are using to pronounce that letter is known as matra. व्यंजन के साथ मात्रा, that means we are using this sign, that means matra with व्यंजन, that means consonant. We are using स्वर sign, vowels sign along with consonants to pronounce the letter. And the pronouncing letter, the shabd which we are making with the help of these words is known as, it will come under shabd, that means word. And the representation of the word will come under chitra, picture. The picture you will get. So first we will start with a, because swar will always start with a. So a, koi matra nahi, that means there is no matra for the word a. So first you can see that vyanjan which we are using is k. We will do only with vyanjan k, rest we will do as a practice. So first letter is k. What we are doing? We are making one, you can see one small line over here after k, one down, right? So this is represent it, this ka is half. What it represent? That this ka is half. So we will pronounce this ka, half ka is k. K plus a will gives you ka. K plus a will gives you ka. And the word you can make from that is kamal. Kamal. Kamal you can make. Kalam you can make. Okay. Kamal means lotus. Kalam. If you will write k-l-m, then it will be pen. Then it will be pen. So kamal, lotus. Next one is a. A ki matra. A ki matra. This is a ki matra. The sign, the symbol which we are using for a swar is this one. You can see one standing line. Okay. So again, this is half ka. Half ka plus a will gives you ka. Half ka plus a will gives you ka. You will pronounce it as ka. See, here you are pronouncing it k. Ka, 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 ka. Okay. So ka. And the letter, the word which we are getting from that letter is kan. Kan. Kan means ear. Kan means ear. Okay. Same one more letter you can find it out. Ka, काम. Ka, काम. काम. मैं काम करता हूँ. That means I am doing work. मैं काम करता हूँ. काम means work. Okay. So next one E. This is small e. This is small e. छोटी e की मात्रा. The symbol is छोटी e की मात्रा. Now again we are coming to half ka. Half ka plus e. K plus e will gives you ki. You have to pronounce it as ki. Okay, ki. And it will, you can see here, after, once you will write ka, just before the letter you have to put this matra ki. And the letter, the word which we are getting from this letter is kiwad. 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 And the meaning of that letter is darwaza. Darwaza. There is another meaning for this word is darwaza in Hindi. So kiwad. Kiwad means door. Okay. दरवाज़ा. मैं दरवाजे से अंदर आया. मैं दरवाजे से अंदर आया. नेक्स्ट वन. ई. ई. A, E, E, E. This matra is like this. Here you can see this side, but here it is in different side. And the letter again with half K, K plus E is equal to ki. Here you can see, first if it is short ki, choti ki, we are writing the letter K, the matra just before K. But here we are writing the matra after K. So it will gives you ki sound. Ki. 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 And the word which you are making it from it, keel. Keel. What is it? Keel. And keel is nail. Nail. Okay. Keel. Next one is u. 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 Choti u ki matra. This you have to put below the letter. And so here half K. K plus U is ku. K plus U is ku. And the letter ku li. Ku li. Kuli. 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 You can see. Okay. Kuli is the one who is carrying the luggage. Kuli. You can see in the stations and all, right? Okay. Next one, we are moving to, now you can see what all things we have studied. K, ka, ki, ku. Okay, moving to the next one. U. What is next? U. So the matra is like this. First what we have done, we have written, it is like this. Now we are writing like this. So K plus U will gives you ku. What it will gives you? Ku. So ku da. Kuda. What it is? Kuda. Kuda means waste. Kuda means waste. And the waste, dustbin is known as kudadan. Dustbin is known as kudadan. You are getting one more new word. Kudadan. Waste. Dustbin. Okay. Kuda is waste. Dustbin is kudadan. Dustbin is kudadan. Next one, R. Next one is R. R. The matra is like this. Okay. So K plus R is Kr. What it is? Kr. R. Kr. Okay. And the letter you can see just below the K you are putting this letter. Okay. So Kr. This is Sh. Half Sh. You are just removing that standing line from that. This is half Sh. Kr. Shna. Krishna. 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 Krishna, you know, Krishna, God. Krishna, who is Krishna? Krishna, God. Next one is A. A ki matra is like this. Okay, where you have to put that we will see. K plus A is K. See, where are you putting? You are putting just above the K. Okay, the sleeping line will be there no? On the top of that one. K. And the letter is Kela. The letter is Kela. And what is Kela? Banana. What is Kela? Banana. Next one is I. You will call it as A or I. I. But here you can see in A ki matra you have put only one line. Right? But here you are putting two lines. So it will be I. K plus I. Kai. What it is? Kai. Or K. Kailash. 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 Okay, A-I. Once you will write in English, the same sound you will get in this one also. Kailash. Kailash, I sound will come. And Kailash is Kailash Parvat. Parvat. Okay, the mountain. Parvat is mountain. So Kailash, the name of the mountain, Kailash. Next one is O. O sound. What you have to do to put matra, you have to remove this a from that. And the remaining thing will be O ki matra. So K plus O is Ko. K plus O is Ko. Koyal. 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 Okay, koyal is cuckoo bird. Koyal is cuckoo bird. Okay. Next one is ow. What is this? Ow. Ow ki matra. Here it is one matra. Here it is two matra. Okay. So k plus ow is cow. K plus ow is cow. Kawwa. Kawwa. Kawwa is crow. Kawwa is